A Chinese-made missile just changed the rules of aerial warfare. For the first time ever, Pakistan fired the PL-15E in real combat, and its debris landed deep inside India. This isn't speculation, it's confirmed, photographed, and shaking up military circles worldwide. What does this mean for India, for China's arms race, and for global air dominance? This video breaks down the strike, the tech, and the powerful message behind this launch that could shift the balance in South Asia and beyond. The night of May 6 and 7, 2025, saw a rapid and unprecedented escalation in the skies over the India-Pakistan border. In what is now being called one of the largest aerial clashes in South Asia since 1971, at least 42 Pakistani fighters reportedly engaged with 72 Indian jets. While such numbers have been debated by both sides, what's no longer in question is the appearance of Chinese PL-15E missile debris found deep in India's Punjab region. That single discovery has confirmed the missile's first-ever combat use and sent strategic shockwaves through the region. The battle reportedly involved Pakistan's JF-17 Block 3, J-10CE, and F-16 Viper fighters against India's Rafale, Su-30 Mki, MiG-29, and support assets. While the Indian Air Force has remained reserved in acknowledging losses, Pakistani officials released radar tracks and audio clips claiming the downing of 5 Indian aircraft, including 3 Rafales. Although this remains unverified by independent sources, photographs from Indian media, including Punjab Kesari, show missile fragments matching the PL-15E structure, especially the rear motor section and parts of the guidance system. What makes this clash so significant isn't just the volume of aircraft involved, but that it appears no jets crossed international borders. This led to beyond visual range engagements, with missiles fired from maximum standoff ranges, largely dependent on targeting support from radar systems and airborne command. These long-distance exchanges underscore a shift in regional air combat philosophy. It's no longer about close-range dogfights, but sensor fusion, stealth, and long-range kill shots. According to reports from the war zone and army recognition, the missile found in Punjab near the village of Kamahi Devi was relatively intact, a rare event in modern combat. This intact recovery is not only symbolic, it's a critical intelligence opportunity. The Indian Air Force and allied intelligence agencies now have physical access to reverse engineer or analyze one of China's most advanced AIRTO air missile systems. This alone could alter electronic warfare planning and air combat tactics across Asia. At the center of this conflict lies a missile that's quietly reshaping the global arms race. The PL-15E, China's export variant of its cutting-edge beyond visual range AIRTO air missile. This missile, developed by the 607 Institute under China's AIRTO air missile research initiative, isn't just another projectile. It's a statement of technological confidence, and now, combat-proven. With a declared range of 145 kilometers and speeds exceeding Mach 5, the PL-15E is designed to take down fast, maneuverable targets long before visual contact. Its two-stage dual-pulse solid propellant rocket motor allows for sustained acceleration deep into engagement zones. What really separates the PL-15E from legacy systems is its guidance system, which integrates inertial navigation, Beidou satellite updates, a two-way data link, and most importantly, an active AESA radar seeker built using gallium nitride, GaN, a material known for its resistance to jamming and heat. In this confrontation, the PL-15E was deployed from JF-17 Block 3 and J-10CE fighters. The J-10CE's powerful AESA radar and broader nose cone make it a more optimal platform, while the JF-17's KLJ-7A radar provides slightly reduced targeting capabilities. Notably, older JF-17 Block 1 and 2 models remain incompatible with the PL-15E due to radar limitations. This means that as of early 2025, only about 65 to 70 Pakistani aircraft are capable of firing the missile. However, raw range isn't everything. Effective use of the PL-15E depends heavily on mid-course guidance support, especially from AWACS platforms. Without this, its effective engagement range could drop to 100 to 120 kilometers, especially when launched from JF-17S with smaller radar apertures. In the recent battle, both sides likely refrained from overborder penetration, limiting radar lock-on time and forcing fire-and-forget launches from long range. China's export version also has reduced capabilities compared to the domestic PL-15, which reportedly reaches up to 300 kilometers. Still, the PL-15E is more capable than most Western export equivalents. Its design includes low probability of intercept waveforms and digital signal processing to resist jamming, especially from aircraft like the Rafale, which are equipped with Spectra electronic warfare suites. The PL-15E's design also supports internal carriage, allowing stealth fighters like China's J-20 and J-35 to mount up to 6 of these folded fin variants. The aftermath of this missile's use will be felt well beyond the India-Pakistan border. From the corridors of New Delhi and Islamabad to intelligence bunkers in Washington, Paris, and Tel Aviv, analysts are now dissecting every inch of the PL-15E debris. Why? Because in modern warfare, a recovered missile isn't just a trophy, it's an open textbook. One of the most significant implications is the intelligence value of the recovered components. PL-15E debris found in Punjab reportedly included portions of the rear motor assembly and guidance section. For India's Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and potentially its allies, this provides a rare chance to examine the hardware, software, and radar signature of an advanced missile. These insights can be used to develop new countermeasures, adjust air combat tactics, and refine radar or electronic warfare systems to better defeat similar threats. But there's a wider story. The PL-15E was developed in response to the U.S. AIM-120D and has even triggered the AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile (JTM) program in the United States. China's rapid missile advancements have global implications, particularly for nations operating in the Indo-Pacific theater, where American and allied aircraft may face Chinese PL-series missiles in future conflicts. By studying the PL-15E, NATO air forces may gain insights into its more powerful cousin, the PL-15, which remains in use by China's elite air platforms. On the diplomatic front, the missile's use by Pakistan complicates regional stability. China has always maintained plausible deniability in arms exports, but the PL-15E's combat validation raises concerns in New Delhi and among India's Western allies. It also exposes potential weaknesses in India's layered air defense, which includes the Meteor missile on Rafales, R-77S on Sukhois, and the S-400 Triumph surface-to-air systems. If a Pakistani aircraft from within its own airspace can fire a PL-15E at an Indian Rafale and get close to a kill or possibly succeed, that's a paradigm shift. Finally, the psychological impact cannot be understated. For decades, India held a technological edge over Pakistan in air warfare. This event has signaled that gap is closing quickly. And it's not just about tech, it's about the confidence to use it. Pakistan didn't just show capability, it showed intent. The deployment of the PL-15E missile by Pakistan marks a significant development in modern aerial warfare. It not only demonstrates the operational capabilities of advanced Chinese military technology, but also signals a shift in regional power dynamics. As nations observe and analyze this engagement, it becomes clear that the integration of such advanced weaponry into national arsenals will shape the future of military strategy and international relations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.